Hey guys, it's cleaning day. It's cleaning day. It's cleaning day. It's cleaning day. Hey guys, it's Mally. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I'm going to be tackling down my bathroom and my bedroom. It's gonna be like a semi-deep clean video just because some of the things that I'm gonna do today, I have just not done in a while. I mean, I fix my bed every day. I'll organize some things just so it doesn't look messy. But as far as like dusting, wiping, vacuuming, that kind of stuff, I don't do on a daily and I haven't done in a while. You know, I'm kind of embarrassed to say that, but it's true. But first, as you all know, music. And you know, we all need some good cleaning music to get us going. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. Leave some comments, like it, dislike it, I don't know, just leave me some feedback. I love hearing from you guys and I just really appreciate the views that I've been getting. I've noticed my subscribers have gone up a bit and I love that. So yeah, it just makes me happy to know that you're enjoying my videos. So yeah, thank you guys. And let me just get into this. First things first, I make my bed. Doing this first sets the tone for the rest of my time cleaning and lowers my anxiety with everything else I'm about to tackle down. And now the dusting begins. I'm using a ceiling fan duster to clear out cobwebs and then using a Swiffer duster all around the surfaces of my bed frame. But once I start dusting, I get super OCD about it. I can't help it. I start dusting the doors. Yes, the doors can get so dusty. See all that dust? Ew. The nightstand is like the easiest place to collect lots of dust, so I try to keep it minimal and organized with this wooden phone stand, which holds the Bible, watches, glasses, and a charging dock, so it's awesome for organizing. I got it from Etsy. I'll link the seller down below if you're interested. Back to dusting the door to the master bath and Clorox wiping the handles real quick. Again with the dusting my little desk area and giving it a much needed wipe down. You're about to see my OCD kicking in again. I'm dusting off the bottom trims with the Swiffer duster. I'm not sure if it's the design of the trim and the carpet, but it gets so dirty and it's really annoying to clean, so don't think I'm having fun doing this. I'm not, but I know I'll feel like I put in my 100%, you know? Now on to dusting the blinds. I appreciate how easy the Swiffer duster makes it for me to do this because it can be a lot of work. I know if I dusted at least every other week, I know I wouldn't spend so much time dusting, but who has time for that, right? This is my acrylic stand I got from HomeGoods, and I absolutely love it. It's not exactly how I want to decorate it, but for now, since I don't have a lot of space for other things, this will do. How does a ceiling fan accumulate this much dust? The ceiling fan duster I'm using is from Lowe's, and I really like that it's extendable. It's a handy tool for a shirker like me when I want to get things done myself. Now to vacuuming all of this junk. Say hello to my new Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro Upright Vacuum. This vacuum is so good. I like how it's lightweight yet powerful. It's not bulky, and I'm able to get it into tight places. As you can see, it really just gets the job done. Here's the after. I'm finally done with my bedroom. Oh gosh, look at the mess I made. I have to face it and clean it all up. If you've made it this far and you're enjoying my content, I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and subscribe. Even like the video if you haven't already, and please comment. I ended up really happy with the decor on this shelf and have found some ways to use it for some storage, like the toilet paper basket and my pads and panty liner storage that I got from Target. The shelves are from Michaels, and if you notice there, I matched the toilet holder to the shelves, which I got from Etsy.
Hey, that's the first thing that I
needs for you to be everything you are. Yeah, it's simple. Oh, yeah, it's simple. You guys have no idea how much workout I'm getting out of this. I hate to do it, but cleaning has a way of cleansing my mind and it feels good. This counter was seriously bothering me so much. It's my fault for letting it get so messy, but keep watching to see the after. Hey, it's clear that we are meant to be. Flying high effortlessly. It's like a love made for TV. Yay! Wasn't that so satisfying? The junk is now put away. It's clear but not clean, so I'm wiping the mirror down. It's for you to be everything you are. Yeah, it's simple. Oh, yeah, it's simple. Clorox wipes and Clorox as a brand in general is my favorite cleaning product. It's a must-have for me to know that it is truly disinfecting any space in our home. It's simple. So I got these 2 little jars from Target because I thought it was a great idea to use it for Q-tips and cotton pads. And by the way, from the dollar aisle at Target. The tray was purchased from Home Goods, and I like to stack Kleenex hand towels in it. I use them to pat dry my face. That way I can just toss it instead of using a towel every time, if that makes sense. My husband likes to use a soap pump. I like using a hand soap. This clear glass soap holder is from Target, and my sister got me this pretty pink hand soap with gold bits in it. I think it's from Lush. The clear acrylic trays are from the Container Store, and I think every bathroom should have one of these because it's a great way, to keep things organized and looks neat, looks nice. Here I'm showing you how I like to keep all of the bathroom cleaning products in this bucket. I'm almost done. I was cleaning for almost 3 hours, so I had to take a dinner break, and it got dark, so that's why, you're seeing the light. The lighting is so different. All I have to do is change the trash and mop the floor. You bet I'm tired, but you know what? I'm glad that my bedroom and bathroom feels fresher than ever. I hope I was able to motivate you to get some cleaning done. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.